Right, quick job today. This rather lovely X-Drive M3 2022 BMW. Changing these for the BMW option carbon trim pieces. I did watch a video on how to do this, but he seemed to be doing it the hard way, and I found a much easier way of doing it, so I'll take you through it now. Get underneath here, start at the top, and nice wide trim tool, push till you hear a click like that, and then at the end of the badge again, and near the bottom, and it's out. Easy as that. And the new one in at the top, and make sure we're in the right place. Job done. It's definitely not JDM though.